What is Dish? Hey guys! Welcome to 2020's first episode of What is Dish? So in What is Dish, our chef tries to guess what dish she's... So in What is Dish, our chef tries to guess what dish she has to make based only on the ingredients that we give her. So today's dish is falafel. Falafel and pita. A falafel. So falafels are a falafels are a Middle Eastern dish. They originated from Egypt, and falafel comes from the Arabic word falafel, which is the plural word of Filipino, which means pepper. See, that was my speech. Falafel is a deep fried ball made of chickpeas. Traditionally, it was made with fava beans. And it's actually vegan, so it's great for people who make New Year's resolutions to eat healthy. So the catch to this one is she has to make the pita from scratch. And these are her ingredients. Her red herring is meat. Let's begin.
What the freak is this? That is raw meat. White sugar, pepper na walang laman, salt, oil, parsley, baking soda, flour, active dry yeast. Hold up. Am I making bread? Is my red herring the meat? So yeast, so I'm making bread. How do I make bread without a recipe? Why do you guys always do this to me? Falafel. Or crispy chickpeas. It just smells like smoke. It's on a plate. Is it freaking you out? That's the dumbest thing you've ever done here. Falafel. What is it, like falafel? Or like falafel sandwich? Can I get no, I don't want it. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna make pita and falafel. Except there's no dough hook, so I'm gonna make pita by hand. And we know from previous episodes, I don't know how to bake without a recipe. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm gonna make the dough first, because it's gonna rest. Water is not an ingredient, or is that like a... There's no water? Are you sure? Not in the ingredient list, but in the recipe? Because they don't put water in the ingredient list if you're following a recipe. What is that? See? This is a different farce! So there's water. Thank you. This is like the 2-topping, 3-topping debacle again. I'm only gonna make little bread because I don't want to put that much effort into this. Flour. Sugar. Yeast. There's also baking soda. So extra puffy bread. Okay. I'm mixing it first because you don't want the salt to touch the yeast. You're gonna die. Gonna die, bro. Ooh, oil. Why not? Am I making bread? That's my method question. So I am making bread. Couldn't have bought bread. Does it feel right? We'll find out. I mean, it doesn't feel awful. So I guess that's our standard here. It's wet. I'm oiling a bowl, sloshing it around inside. Then we're gonna let it rest. in a warm place while I make falafel. Falafel, garlic, onion. Let me save some for the top. Oh, diba? Whatever. Ooh, oh. Lemon, lemon. How do I peel? Feel okay. I'm confident in the dish. I'm not confident in the execution. Salt. Not too much. Oh, my foot, my foot. Not too much because you don't want it to be tough. Falafel is normally deep fried, but sayang yung oil. So I'll just do like patty, small patty versions. Okay, we're just gonna fry these and then put them into the falafel. I don't care if they're not crispy, as long as they're right. But it's weird that the falafel sandwich has no sauce. Was I supposed to make like garlic sauce? Oh, what's my hint?
The dish originated from Egypt.
Freaking A. I hate these stupid hints. Check the bread. I think something happened. The plastic is gone.
Oh my god!
No, but it's not on the bread. It's just on the bowl. That's fine. Just don't eat too much of it. But because there wasn't anything covering it, there's a film. No, on my bread. Oh crap, I'm frying things. I would normally do like a second proof, but no one got the time. So okay, let's see what happens. Nope. No, I don't know. Whatever.
Why? What should have happened?
No, I wanted to just puff up, but I took too long. Didn't care enough. So- okay, how do I fast slap it down? Didn't work. Hey, but look! Look, guys! Look, rice! Guys, let's all pray. Okay, bread. Looks hard as balls. What? Yeah, look at that one! Ooh. Archie, come on, look, can you see it? Who cares about this? This is like the opposite of Yama cake. Yama cake is like, I got it correct, but even though it was sad. This is like, even if I don't get it correct, it's happy. Peter had a Peter pocket. Look at it! That's the one on the right na lang that I effed up. The one in the front that I folded over by accident. It's okay. We only need a half a pita pocket. Peter had a pita pocket. It's a new childhood nursery, right? Should we flip it? Don't remember from school. Do we flip pita? Yeah, whatever. Let's flip it. Yeah. It looks kinda like bread, which is good enough for me. Let's cut it in half and make a pita pocket. I want this part because it seems good. So I'm just gonna... Yeah, F you! Maybe the thicker one actually might. Oh, this one actually pita'd a little pocket. I really wish I had some kind of dip situation. Ooh, let's try this. Ah, delicious. This is not the prettiest. It's not the prettiest pita pocket, but it's a pita pocket. Pita pocket, falafel pocket, falafel thing.
Why do you think you were supposed to make falafel?
The ingredients. I made falafel with pita, but you know it's not half horrible. I added sauce with ingredients that weren't, and I just yogurt, just because I felt like it's so dry. Maybe I was supposed to make a sauce with the garlic, but whatever, as long as I get there.
How do you feel? Like, are you confident that you're right?
90%.
Well, are you ready to find out?
No.
Your dish is falafel.
Yes!
It doesn't look at all the same, but we'll take it.
Why are there ingredients that aren't in mine?
Oh, disclaimer: we bought this, we didn't make it, but this is the recipe that's gonna be on the website. So follow this one. So the recipe we followed is from New York Times Cooking. And this one we bought from Cafe Mediterranean.
Yum!
You know, I give up.
Yeah!
We need something.
That's the whole point.
I voted for the red herring to be ready-made pita, but they said it was too mean. And you know, it should have been the red herring because it would have been harder for you. So we need harder dishes. So if you have any suggestions, tell us because we want Kimmy to lose. Okay, bye!
Not possible. Bye-bye.
Like and
subscribe.
like and
Subscribe.